But guys, so talks about you guys. I know that this is not really a gaming video. This is usually a gaming channel, but I just don't know when I will be able to do the gaming video because this is why. My controller stopped working today. Just here. I've taken it apart. This is the other parts of the controller. I just like lost crap. I'm just gonna go grab all these screws here. There's anything else out. So these are all. Move this to the. Show you a little bit. So you guys see a little bit better. A little bit. So this is, my thumb is falling out. I had it perfectly. Look at my D-pad. So that's the original D-pad, but there. So right now, taking it apart, trying to figure out how to get. I don't think this piece can come off, but if it can, I want to figure out how to do it. I definitely need this piece. This is kind of clips in and touches this thing right here. I really don't know if people have done videos like this yet, but these things stick. But I think that's just because of the thumb. Like it's not properly assembled yet. You got the thumb thing here. Now, what I really want to try out. Let me see. Oh, I'll be back, but I do want to get. Actually, I just want to see what this looks like when I log this on. Batteries fall out with the back on it, so the back needs to stay on it for now. I'll put fish batteries. I just need new ones to polish it. Right now, it will be game recording today, but I'd like to use my controller for it. So my brother's controller is broken, and my dad won't let me. Cause like there's a. I'll show you guys this controller. Okay. This is his controller. It's missing this. So you can't play COD World. So you can't play COD World War II. It's missing this piece right here. But if I grab this piece, I don't know if I was gonna say it, and take this piece off. I don't want to. It does come off. I don't want to snap it, but just like just push this piece off it. Okay. I just did it. It's off. See this right here? To attach it. If I could reassemble it, I don't think I can actually. This is a little too long. I think this is a lot longer than that. I would like to put this thumbstick. This one. This thumbstick. Or smaller. No, it's the size. So I really don't know if that'll work, but I would like to put these thumbsticks in here. I can't do that. So that's not good. Little battery head. Just for you before it ends up. It's not good enough. I really don't know what's wrong with it. I think I could. I do, but yeah, I've been wearing this for like an hour now. I'm gonna spend how long it was. I definitely wanted to at least assemble a couple pieces on camera for you guys. At least with you guys. Okay, you need to take this piece off for sure first. Oh, okay. Okay, I think I figured it out. And I'm not breaking, guys. I know that for a fact. There you go. We have the back piece off now. That's great. So this is the only thing I wanted to see is inside. What is messed up inside? Anything that's useful? Should talk here. Okay. Now this is where I think the issue is with the controller. Now, these wires are all down, right? All messed up, but these are all up and fine. That's what I think, and it looked like... Focus here. They look like they're attached the same way. But this red wire... The red wire isn't actually the same thing. I'll be very, very careful with what I'm doing. I'm not good at this, guys, so I don't really have no idea what I'm doing. Move that up a little bit. It looks like it's attached. Yes. The same way, guys. If you notice anything, please let me know in the comments down below. But what's this tab? Okay, this tap's right here, and this tap's right there. Just that button right there. Okay. But the thumbsticks, I think, do not move. I don't know the cause of that. That doesn't look normal. Actually, it looks normal. It's supposed to be. I'm not sure of the cause of that. So, like, oof. Let me flip it over 1 second, guys. Come here. Just better camera, I guess. Come here. That's I want to put all this like this. Okay, yes, we have it. The only thing I really want to see is the inside of it, which is what I got, which is all this. Really don't want to grab it. Actually, really don't know what I'm touching. Really don't know what I'm trying to get it. So this is what it looks like without this stuff. Okay. I'm gonna reassemble. I'm gonna put this piece back on. Figure out how to. Oh, that's not good. Okay. To get these pieces here. Okay, my wires again. Just keep doing that. Really don't know if there's this blue. It is a little dirty, so I'm definitely gonna try getting like paper towel and just doing this, kind of cleaning it a little bit, see if that helps. Because it could just because it's dirty, it may not be working because it's dirty. It's got like a bunch of blue. It's like blue ink in it, which I'm not sure if that's because of the controller or if it's because of this. Just trying to see things here, make sure everything's okay. Okay, so the thumbsticks look perfectly fine. The thumbsticks look, everything's working fine. Don't see a difference other than the pieces are the same, because it's just not the same, right? It's only gonna see different. I just want to try to get this controller piece back on. I hope I'll be able to fit this. Let's just do this if I can. This is not the easiest thing in the world, guys. So, you know, you guys see. Okay, yeah. I just want to make sure you guys can see what I'm doing here. Video. Oof, I'll have to stop at 10 minutes. I might do a part 2 to this, but definitely, guys. And no, this is not actually purposely. Just because I did hit 100 subscribers because I got rated last time, which is awesome. Again, thanks to iShock. That's really amazing. I'm going to check it out, channel, guys. But I really want to get this. Wait. This could be a good time to look at some videos. Okay, do that after. I'll do it off camera because I do this video. We want to get this piece back together, looking smexy again. It's always like little blue pieces, and on here they're all it's like melted a little bit. So I think that's just normal because it's all over this. I don't think because nobody has disassembled this controller yet. I do see a couple bolts I probably could take off. I'm not going to because I don't want to mess with anything else. I just want to mess with these pieces right here. Probably even shouldn't be because I have no idea what I'm doing. But I'm gonna try to perfectly re-enable this. It's not the easy thing to do, I guess. I'm not doing this way. Whoa. Wait, I may have got it. Yeah, okay, got it. I have not got it. Okay. There we go. I want to be able to move the thumbsticks and push it in. I pushed it in. Didn't break anything from now, and it's back on. We are good. Okay, there you go. Let me put this piece back up. So I'm gonna reassemble it. I'm not gonna screw anything down. I'm just gonna put this piece back on. Actually, I need this piece first. I need these pieces. This piece back. Okay, so I'll do this all next for you guys. Peace.